Welcome back, Cooking with Richie. I am making another delicious Mediterranean dish. It is going to be made with cod. It is so easy to make too. You're taking all the ingredients, you're going to toss it into this, and you're going to cook it in the oven. I mean, it's so easy to make. I have about 1.25 pounds of fresh cod. You can use salmon, halibut, tilapia, grouper. You can use bass. You can use whatever you want. It's okay? All right, so you're going to need sweet grape tomatoes, a lemon, 1 onion. Prefer red onion, but I have this onion. I found a red onion. I'm gonna go with like 3 cloves of garlic. I've got olives. I'm gonna use a bunch of those. Kosher salt, and a bit of pepper, some vinegar. I have some leftover mushrooms, so I'm just gonna throw them in there. Okay, let's cook. Smells amazing. Some onion. That's the cod. A little bit of mushrooms, the tomato, the onion, some garlic. Yeah, and there's some olives in there too. So that's the dinner. Here I go. There's a lot of harmony happening in this plate. So I am, again, 10 out of 10. This is definitely a 10 out of 10 dish. The cod is just flaky, melts in your mouth. Let him eat more. Oh, there's my lemon. This is tremendous. Every bite. So good. Join me next time when I make something better.